Rebuilding Trust, a Journey of Renewal. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a very important concept not just in language, but in life: building trust again. Whether in friendships, family relationships, or between colleagues, trust is the foundation. But what happens when it's broken? Can it be rebuilt? Let's find out together. Remember, trust is our keyword today. Before we dive deeper, let's break down the phrase, building trust again. To build something means to create or develop it. Trust refers to the belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. When we say, again, it implies that this trust was once lost or damaged. So, combining these, building trust again means working to regain a belief in someone's reliability and truthfulness after it has been compromised. Trust can be broken for many reasons. It could be due to lies, betrayal, unfulfilled promises, or misunderstandings. It's important for learners to understand these causes because they highlight the fragile nature of trust and the importance of communication and honesty in maintaining it. Rebuilding trust isn't easy and doesn't happen overnight. Here are some steps involved in this process. Step 1. Acknowledgement of the hurt. The first step is acknowledging that trust was broken and understanding the hurt it caused. This involves honesty and vulnerability from both parties. Step 2. Apology and forgiveness. An apology from the one who broke the trust is crucial. It must be sincere and show an understanding of the impact of their actions. Equally important is forgiveness from the other side, which is not just for the other person, but also a step towards healing oneself. Step 3. Transparent communication. Building trust again requires open and honest communication. Discussing fears, expectations, and setting boundaries can help prevent future misunderstandings. Step 4. Consistent actions over time. Finally, actions speak louder than words. Consistency in actions, showing reliability and integrity over time, are key to rebuilding trust. Rebuilding trust is a journey that requires patience and time. Both parties must be willing to put in the effort and give each other the time to heal and rebuild the lost trust. It's a gradual process, and setbacks may occur, but with perseverance, trust can be restored. Building trust again is about much more than just 2 words. It's about actions, patience, and the willingness to understand and forgive. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of trust and the path to rebuilding it. Remember, in any relationship, trust is precious. Protect it, cherish it, and if necessary, be prepared to rebuild it. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your journey to mastering not just the English language, but the complexities of human relationships as well.